Here at Chapman Mazda, we believe the sky is the limit. That's what Mazda is all about. Mazda is an IIHS Top Safety Pick Plus. Every vehicle in the lineup, from blind spot monitoring, lane departure assistance, Mazda's radar cruise control, smart brake support, these are all standard in your Mazda. They'll also find out that it's a Consumer Reports most reliable brand for the last 3 years running. When you bring your Mazda to Chapman Mazda for service, only a Mazda certified technician will work on your car. In fact, they'll send you a video walk around telling you everything you need to know about the condition of your car. You get to request a loaner car. You get to drive around in one of those cars that you love to drive because you know you're a Mazda enthusiast just like we are. If you prefer, you can hang out in our state-of-the-art waiting room. You can chat with fellow Mazda enthusiasts like the sales team, myself included. And we'll be delighted to sit and talk with you about all the things that Mazda has to offer. Being this close to the Jersey Shore, and we're only about 15 minutes away from most shore points, you can schedule your appointment and get in and get done before you get back home.